My name is Tanmay Takle, and I'm the project manager for the Design Challenge team. My major is Technical Systems Management in the Agricultural and Biological Engineering department.
My name is Isha Kulkarni. I study civil engineering. I'm an exchange student at U of I, and I am currently the water and LAHA lead for the Solar Decathlon design team.
My name is Rebecca Valdick, and I am a second-year master's student at the School of Architecture, and I am the architecture sub-team lead.
My name is Sailesh Subhash Babu. I am an electrical engineering major, and I am the project manager for the concept team.
My name is Abby Clem. I am a graduate student in energy systems here at the university, and my position was the photovoltaic and electric lead for the team.
I'm Kathy Lee, a master's student in civil engineering here at UIUC. My role is the HVAC and engineering design lead for the Solar Decathlon Design Challenge of 2019.
So my mother is an architect, and my father is an engineer, both of them in the AEC industry. My dad has an HVAC company, and growing up I was always very environmentally conscious. And coming to college, I knew I wanted to do something in the field of sustainability.
I found out about it my quad day, which was in August last year, and then I joined the team in October.
This is my first year participating in the program, but I always wanted to get involved since I was an undergrad here.
I participated a bit my freshman year, and I've been participating now. So in total, I've probably been here at ISD for, let's say, a little bit over 3 years, 3.5 years maybe.
This is my first year. Initially, when I came to the university, that was one of the things they mentioned when I was given my tour, and it sounded really interesting, so I decided to seek it out in the fall.
This is my second year with Solar Decathlon. Last year I was working on different projects. It was the Build Challenge, and we were collaborating with a Chinese university.
Solar Decathlon has actually been a huge impact on me, like personally and academically / professionally. It put into context a lot of things which I learned about in classes, in theory, but seeing that translate into applicability was something which this organization helped me see. It's also kind of made me a more critical thinking person. I've learned to kind of zoom out from just small details and focus on a bigger picture.
I guess academically, professionally, I've always wanted to learn more about building science. I mean, I study civil engineering, but I don't think I learned as much about it as I would like to. So this is a really good opportunity to learn more.
I think that my experiences with Solar Decathlon have taught me to think a lot more technically about architecture, and I think that it really improved my architectural skills when it comes to making a building that would actually function and not just the concept.
With my background in architectural engineering, I learned a little bit more about like the mechanical systems and electrical and things like that previously, but it was really interesting to be able to learn more about how the photovoltaics would be implemented and how we would size those and everything.
It's a good transition for me to go from an undergrad major, which is a little different from my current major, to my master's interests. And it provides me with hands-on experience. I can really design a building.
My biggest takeaway from this organization is the fact that I can actually pursue this as a career afterward in a field that means a lot to me personally. I am very passionate about sustainability and the built environment, and being in this organization has not only kind of given me a lot of knowledge about it and served as a very good education tool for me, but more importantly, it's made me realize that I have the tools to do something like this in the future and make a better impact.
So I study at University College London, and I feel like because Solar Decathlon has been such a big part of my exchange here, that I feel like I really enjoy taking it back there, and that's one of the reasons I wanted to do exchange, that I wanted to explore new possibilities and then maybe, take them somewhere else.
I've always just really had a fun time with Solar Decathlon, going to the meetings every week and participating and getting to know people that I normally wouldn't have known within the School of Architecture. So kind of branching out and meeting different people across disciplines, I thought that was a really exciting experience.
Concept team is kind of an interesting team. So design and build are mostly aimed at actually going and competing at NREL and such, but I often found from my experience that this was a pretty big leap in faith, for a lot of people coming in. It was pretty intimidating for people to come in with very little knowledge and contribute or be willing to contribute. So actually the concept team has been formed kind of as a segue into it. So it gives younger people and people that do want to test out new ideas much more leeway while teaching them the basic skill set.
One thing I've really enjoyed is the photovoltaic and electric team. We were a little stacked this year with 5 to 7 different members, but they've been really close and really great.
Since I'm graduating with a master's, but I'm continuing with a PhD, I'll still be here. I will volunteer and mentor for the future teams if I'm not going to be part of the team officially.
I graduate this semester and I will be going back to India to work in my family business, which is an HVAC consulting firm. I hope to expand that into an energy consulting firm and pretty much define its scope to be exactly what ISD is, if not more than that.
Well, I'm leaving Illinois in less than a month now, and obviously I can't continue to be a part of ISD, but I hope to stay in touch with the people I met here and potentially maybe even start a Solar Decathlon team at my university.
I would say make sure you focus on creating buildings that will last and make an impact on the people, because it's not just the now that you need to consider, it's the people in the future that you really need to consider and be able to make sustainability less of an idea and more of an actual practice.
I'll be gone from its campus fairly soon, like I'll be graduated and have a job and such. But I would love to be part of the alumni network and do whatever I can to support this club. I believe that this club has gone far and beyond basically the scope of anything any club would offer. And I'm a very big believer in kind of like legitimate technical work, not purely just academic, but actually seeing like technical work go towards industry. So this is a club I would love to be involved in whatever way possible that I can in the future.
To all the members that participated this year with me, I have to say thank you so much for being such a great team. It's a truly holistic interdisciplinary effort, and I'm very proud and grateful for that.